This video I teach you how to install the anti-flush system. So you can see this electron tube. Okay, we can see this one is anti-flush system. This to the bubble, okay, and this PCB board, and this all of the whole piece is an anti-flush system. Okay, now we can try. No, then just wait. Okay, you can see if when we to take out this the white cup, you try take out, and just be careful to take the white cup. Okay, yeah, it's like this. Yeah, to take off and then take the button. Yeah, when you need to take this, you know the bubble lamp, it's fragile. So when we take it out, it's be careful, gentle. And we use the hand to put it here, okay. Not put it here, we put it here, okay. Just put it here and just put it out. And it's like this. Yeah. We check it out. Okay, we can see the feet of the bubble lamp. Okay, yes, like this. Okay. Okay, now we put this inside. And you can see the foot is in this. The both is a big one, and the both on another side is a small one. Okay, now we can see the hole, and two big hole and two small hole. When we connected the bubble, so we needed to check it which one is right position. Okay, now we're trying. Yeah, it's like this. It's not to push it. It's too hard. We need to be careful to put it inside of the four foods inside on the board. Okay, it's like this, and then we put the white cup on the top of. Yes, like this. It's finished. Okay. When we do this job, so we need to be careful. Yeah, and to put it inside of the box to protect the bubble lamp. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's good like this. When we protect it, parking the lamp. When you feel when you get the machines, you put it out and put it inside on the anti-flush boards. Okay, that's it. Okay, it's like this. Thanks for watching.